You are a mobilizer. And you don't only mobilize people for what you mobilize them for development, for peaceful development as well. So football is one of the entertainment, and this is event recognized by the government. So I want you to take us through what is happening in football.
Okay, call me Honorable Boss Team Pariamo. I'm going to be brief. First and foremost, I want to tell you that we have our own padlocks. We have 2 padlocks already. Me and Honorable Gilbert Olanya, we bought 2 padlocks. We broke the other funny padlock. This ground here is called Bomber Ground, Kitgum Bomber Ground. It was so unfortunate this morning. It was yesterday that I realized that 3 individuals were trying to frustrate. They were frustrating the efforts of, first of all, FUFA. They were frustrating FUFA. They were frustrating the footballers. Apart from the footballers, these people frustrated even the fans. So I want to say or state clearly that President Yoweri Museveni, as in His Excellency General Yoweri Museveni Kagota, is a very serious admirer of football and sports. Secondly, this government of NRM, the ruling regime, supports the youth fully. And that's why we are here to make sure that all the youth who voted for His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni, all the youth who voted for the system as in NRM, all the youth who voted for their rightful leaders, whether in opposition or in the government, their rights must be given, respected. All their rights must be respected. All the people who voted, the youth, the elderly, and whatever category of voter who voted to make sure that President Yoweri Museveni wins it, and he won. NRM won, and any other leaders also won, whether from the opposition or from the government. So this is time for development. This is not time for segregation. This is not time for corruption. This is not time for fighting one another. This is time for unity. Coexistence is needed. Tomorrow next Saturday, when we welcome our brothers from Busoga who are coming to play with our own sons from the land of Acholi sub-region, we shall be not only welcoming people from Busoga, but we shall be welcoming development. We shall be welcoming unity. We shall be welcoming coexistence. We shall be welcoming prosperity, because business will be booming, whatever kind of business. So fools like the deputy RDC of Kitgum should not be given time to remain in office. These are people who are bringing division. These are people who are trying to encourage people to emulate primitivity, which is not right. Call me Honorable Boss Mikotim Pariamo. I am very much annoyed with what has just happened. So disappointed in my own leaders of Kitgum. Kitgum Municipal Council, don't repeat this. President Museveni loves all his voters. The authority of Kitgum Municipal Council, the town clerk should not be involved here anymore. Let him learn a lesson, and he should forget about coming to disorganize a tribe from their own region. This is very wrong. Lastly, I want to say, we are all Ugandans. Whatever good that happens elsewhere, let it also happen in Kitgum. Let it also happen in Acholi sub-region.